How to make money on Freelancer as a programmer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So first of all, guys, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a visitor of the platform or a business owner and I was looking for a programmer, I would just come to the platform, go to hire freelancers and choose by skill. And here I'm going to go for web designers or web developers or mobile app developers based on the skill, the specialty skill I'm looking for. And here I'm going to choose the I'm going to choose the skill I'm searching for. If I want to hire an HTML5 web developer or a CSS web developer or a JavaScript web developer, so let's check the JavaScript web developers. Hire a top JavaScript developer now, but we don't want to create a project. We want to choose from those people. So here you're going to see the profiles of all the JavaScript developers and you'll be able to see how much they're getting paid per hour, the skills that they can do, and their description as well. How are they describing themselves and how are they describing their own skill. Also you can see if they are from the top 1% or top 5% or whatever, and here you can hire them by clicking on this button. Also you can see their stars, another one here, how much he's getting paid per hour, same thing on here, same thing also, amount earned doing projects in this skill or category increases as projects are successfully completed and paid through the site. So here you can see all of their profiles. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile as well to be amongst these people, and you might get hired by the business owners who visit the platform. So let's go back to the main page, and here I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile. So click on earn money freelancing, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to go with my username and my password, then click on login. Let's give it a few seconds. Then you will proceed to your dashboard. So this is, guys, where you're going to manage everything about your profile. You can see how much you've earned in here. You can see your profile, your membership, your account analytics, bid insights, settings as well. And here you can see everything that is related to your finances. You can see your balance. If you want to add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history, financial dashboard, payment sharing, support. And if you want to invite friends, you can do that by getting your link from here. And also if you want to log out from your account, you can log out easily. So guys, after entering your dashboard, click on profile. And it's very important, guys, to fill your profile with real information about you. And also you will need to verify all of these things: your identity, your payment, your phone, and your email. Also, you can connect your Facebook account if you want, and then you proceed to add in your portfolio and also to change your skill. So I'm going to change the skill from digital marketing to programming. So we have the languages of programming, as you can see: C programming, C# programming, C++, database programming, R programming, object, Rust, linear graphics, CNC, PC, arena stimulation. So you have here a lot of programming languages, but let's choose programming in general and go down and click on save to save your top skills. So here guys, you can add from 1 skill to 20 skills, so there is enough room for other skills if you can do them, or if they are your specialty. And then you proceed to add in your portfolio. This will help you gain trust with the visitors of your platform. And for the reviews, you cannot add them. Clients must add them after getting your job or after doing a job with you. Then you add your experience also. It's also important. Education as well, qualifications, and the last is publications. All of these 4 is a must to add them. It's how you're going to build trust in your profile. And after you're done with setting up your profile, I'm going to show you how you can find jobs in the platform easily. So here you go to browse, click on projects, and here you will be able to see by scrolling down. Let's remove digital marketing and let's enter programming, and here let's choose programming, and you'll be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for a programmer. So here this one is looking for a blockchain pulse chain sniper bot. Project title: blockchain pulse chain sniper bot overview. I am looking for a skilled freelancer to develop a blockchain sniper bot specifically for the pulse chain network. The bot should be designed to execute specific strategies that I have in mind, and trading speed is crucial for this project. Requirements. So you can see if all the things that are related to the project in here, and you can also check the money that you're getting paid in this project, $739. So by putting your cursor above the price, you'll be able to see the price of the project in dollars. And here by clicking on it, you'll be able to see the price of the project in here. And these are the comments that people put in there. So you can apply for the job if it suits you. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.